Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine. Okay. So what I had given a homework for you? I had given a to write the Roman numbers up to 500. Right? So I hope everyone written your homework and CW also I told to write that, right? So you are all good students. So you did your homework, right? Okay. We'll hope so. So next, today we'll start with the that is the Roman numbers and we will give the some examples. You know, right, how to write the Roman numbers and how to if they given in a Roman numbers and how to convert it to a in a English numbers like that. You have to know all these things. Okay. So now we'll solve the exercise number 1.5. Exercise number 1.5. We'll start with that. Okay. That is class 6 subject maths and date is which one that is date is 1, right? Okay, start with the exercise number 1.4. We'll start with the 1.4. Okay, we'll start the 1.4, that is a first main. What they given here first main? Write the following numerals in a Roman numerals. Okay, they given here some numbers. You have to write it in a Roman numbers. You have to write here. First one. What is the given first one? 89. How to write the 89 number? 89 number. How to write this 89 number? For 80, what is the value? That is L is for a 50, right? So here I write L means 50, C means 100, next D means 500, M means 1000. Okay? This you have to should be know these values. Okay? So L is the 50. After that 80. 80 means 30 we have to add. So what is the value for 30? That is the X, right? So here L X 9 is how to write 9. So this is called as the 89. 50, 60, 70, 80. This one 9. 89. Like this we have to write here. Okay. Next goes for the second one. That is 65. L X 5. 65. Third one. 75. 75 means X 5. 75. Next, fourth one, 86. 86 means X 6. 86. Fifth one, that is a 106. 106 means C and 6. How to write the 6? Like this. 106. Next, sixth one, 93. How to write a 93? 93. XC 3. Because 90 means XC. Okay. So next we are going to write that is a seventh value. I hope everyone know the Roman numbers. That's why I told to write the up to 500 you have to write the Roman numbers. Then only will come to know that all the values, right? Getting everyone, and you have to do the practice. I won't do here. That is not my duty. That is your duty to practice that. Okay? If you are knowing the Roman numbers up to 500, then only you will come to know that how to write these numbers in a Roman numbers. Otherwise, you will not get anything here. Okay, so next we go for the seventh one, that is a 99. 99 means what it is? 99. XC 9. 99. Next 42. 42 means here 40 means XL and 2. This is the 42 value. Okay, I am just going to write the answers on the board and note down that answers, and after that think how it is. Okay, then only you will be a thorough with that concept. Otherwise, you will not understanding anything. It means. Next one. That is a which one? 42 over, no? Yes, ninth one now. Ninth one. 57 given. 57. 50 means L. After that 7. 57. Next 10th one is 68. 68 means first you have to write the 60 LX. After that 8 number. That is a 68. Okay. So next one is a 105. 105. How to write the 105? C5. That is a 105. Next 12th one. 12th one is a 115. 115 means is equal to what here? C 15 means X 5 means 15. 13th one. 13th one is a 762. 762. Okay. So 500 means D. After that 200 we want means 700. That is a double C. 600, 700. Next 62. 62. Okay. Like this we have to do it. Next one 657. 657. That is a D C 57. 596. D 96 means C X C 6. Okay, so this is the 596. So like this we have to write. This is the writing of numbers in a Roman numbers. Okay, they given here a English numbers, so we written in a Roman numbers. Next we'll go for the that is a second main. Write each of the following in a Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, that is the second main. We'll do the second main. Okay, so first one they given here. That is a LXX5. Okay, LXX5 means 50. Here 3x means it will become a 60, 70, 80. Here 5 is there, so it will become a 85. Next LX3 means 50, 60, 63. Third one XC8. XC8 means here 98. Okay. Next one is a CDX6 means CD means 400. That is a 400. It is which one? X under 400. X means 10 10 here, that is a 6, 460. Okay. So next fifth one is fifth one. What they given fifth one? That is a C D L X X 1x. C D L X X 1x. CD is nothing but 400. L means 50, X means 60, 70, 79. Okay, like this we have to think and write this given Roman numbers in the English numbers. Getting everyone? Okay, so next we go for the, that is a sixth one, XC. XC. XC means 90. Next, MCM. MCM. M means 1000. But what is the MCM here? Wait. Okay, fine. That is the M means 1000, CM means 900. Okay. So if we written a C before the M, then it means 900. If we written a C before the D, then it means 400. Okay. So we are minusing a 100 value because C is nothing but 100 means. So here that is a 1900. That is next one is eighth one. We'll do eighth one now. That is a CC L X 360 365. Okay. Next ninth one. Ninth one. CDLX 400 464 464. Next one is 10th one. I'll write here, that is 10th one. Okay, last one. CDX 4. That is 900. Sorry, 414. That number is okay. So I hope everyone are getting what I am saying here. Okay. So please go through the all the Roman numbers. Write the Roman numbers. Okay. Every Roman numbers you have to write up to 500. Okay. Just write up to 500. You will get an idea, some idea how to write these Roman numbers. All those things we have to get the idea from that. Then only we can solve this exercise number 1.4, right? Otherwise it's a very difficult to write. Okay, you are all good students now. You have to do the hard work. Be serious about your studies. Okay, this is the month of September. Okay, August over already. So the whole year will be a corona year only. So in the corona only you have to study and you have to be serious about your studies. Otherwise you will not last at the end of the year, you don't know the at least ABCD also. Then whether you go for the go for the LKG class, no, right? So please be at least touch the books at least for a 1 hour. Okay, so then you will get something idea, not 100%, at least you will get the idea about a 10% or 2%, sorry 20%. Right? So only at least read the for 20 or 34%. After coming school, you will read 100%. Okay. So I know everyone will not read 100% in your home. Okay, because you all thought that teacher will told in that all the things in a video, and they don't know what we are doing here and whether we are hearing or whether we are playing. They don't know anything. Why we have to fear with the teachers and why we have to fear with the parents. These are the holidays time, so we have to enjoy. Like this you are thinking, right? So don't think like that. Okay? It's a foolishness. If you are thinking like that means you are a fool. That means. So after this one, after coming school, if you don't know anything means how, then instead of sitting up in a 6th standard, you better go for the LKG, UKG. Right? So start with the ABCD only. Again read a LKG, next 1 year UKG, after that 1st standard, after that 2nd standard, 3rd standard, 4th standard, 5th standard. Again you have to read that 7 years repeat. Will you ready to read again that 7 years? 7 years again you have to read. You will read, then only decide, then play only games. If you are not ready to read again that 7 years, then read that is a 6th standard book now present. If you are ready to read again all the 7 years things, then game play whatever the game you want to play, then play. It doesn't matter. Right? So I hope everyone understood what I am saying here. Okay, so that it means what, you have to be serious about your studies. At least study for a 1 hour, 2 hour daily, study for a 2 hour. It's enough for you. Getting what I am saying here? So please be thorough with your studies. We don't know whether we are taking a and nearly maybe today they will send a timetable, I don't know properly. So if they send and we are conducting a test in a school, then what you will write in a test? Okay, so think before that. So please be thorough with the everything, whatever the teachers are saying in that video, only that much you have to read. It's enough. Okay, so please read properly, and I am requesting that please read properly and complete your CW also. Getting? Because you are all good students, no? You are all are good students, ideal students, you are a bright students. Okay, so you are the future of our nation. Right? So that's why you have to be do all the work properly. You have to obedient to your teachers. Getting everyone? Yes. Okay, we'll move for the, that is a third main now. Show that each of the following is a meaningless and give reason in each case. Okay, so give that, show that each of the following is a meaningless. Each of the following means whatever they given Roman numbers, no, in third main, they all are wrong here. They are not a correct. And why it is a wrong, they asked here. You have to give the reason for that. Okay, so we'll give that now. In third main, they given here, that is the show that each of the following is a meaningless. First one is a LL. Why it is a meaningless? They asked here. Because L not repeat 2 times. That is the rule. In a Roman numbers, that L will not repeat 2 times. Only one time the L will come. That's why here L, what is the reason for this? L not repeat 2 times in a Roman number. So that is the reason for this number. So that's why this number is wrong here. So L is not right. L is not repeat 2 times. That is the reason for that. Okay. So next one is a second one. Second one is D And here also D is not repeat two times. D also not repeat the two times, right? Only one time the D will come. Two times D will not come in a Roman numbers. It's a wrong thing. Okay, it is not a rule. Next one is a VC. Okay, see here whether it is a meaningless, right? It is VC. We have a XC. Before C we will write a X, then it will meaning is 90. But before C we are writing a 5 means it doesn't mean. If you write a after C if you write a 5 then it will be a 105, right? But before C if you write a V then it doesn't matter here and it doesn't meaning. Okay, so you have to write here that 5 will never appear before this. We never appear means it will present here. Okay, so we never appear before C. Before C, this V never appear. That is the reason. Okay. Next one is a here 551. That is a 5 never repeats two times. Never repeat two times. 5 never repeats two times. Next one is a fifth one, that is a 7x. Fifth one, right? Yes. After x the 7 will come. Whether the before x 7 will come? No, it doesn't mean anything, right? So here write 5 and I. 5 and 5 is never appear before x. Before x. That is the reason. 5 never appear before x. Before x it will never appear. 5x. Okay. So next. Yes, we completed the third main. Now we'll go for the fourth main. Okay. That is a fill in each blank box by using the greater than or equal to or lesser than. Okay. So if you know the values, number, writing the Roman numbers and English numbers, then only it will understood whether it is a greater or whether it is a smaller. This means greater. Okay. Equal. This means lesser or smaller. Both are same. So next here XC. Okay. And here they given a first one. This is LXX. This one number and this one number. And they given here box. XC means it is a 90. And L means 50, 60, 70. It is a 74. And this is a greater, right? So put the sign greater. This is a greater. Okay. Next second one do. That is a 76. And here L, X, X. This is also 76, right? So both are equal, right? Third one here. L, X, 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 V. C, V. Here L means 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 85. and here 105. So here this is the greater, means 85 is a lesser than the 105, lesser than the, because this is smaller, right? So that is a, it is a lesser value. So we have to use that symbol. Okay. So next we go for the fourth one. That is, fourth one is here. What is the fourth value? 44. 44, and here is the sum box and XL2. See here. This is a 44 and here this is also 40 and 2. 44 and 42. 44 is greater, right? So use the greater symbol. Greater symbol. Okay. So that is the answer for that. Next, fifth one is a LX5 and here is a XC. LX5 and XC here. LX means 60, 65. So this is a 65. And XC is nothing but the what here? That is the 90 value. So this one is a greater, right? So just put the mark here like this. So next one is a sixth one. Sixth one is a XXX. Next here is a box 29. 29 means it is a 31 and here is a 29. So it is a greater, right? So put the mark like this. This is the greater value 29 and here is a greater value. Getting? So I hope everyone done. So next fourth main, up to fourth main we solved everything, right? First main, second main, third main, fourth main. In first main what we solved, that is they given a English numbers, we written in a Roman numbers, and in second main they given a Roman numbers, we converted in a English numbers, and third main they given a meaningless Roman numbers and we given the reasons for that. Why it is a meaningless, we given a reasons for that in third main, right? Next in fourth main we just compare the numbers, this greater than or equal or lesser than. Okay, if you are using these symbols, that is nothing but a comparing of a numbers. Okay, if they told anyone just compare the numbers, if they in the exam if they told compare the numbers is nothing but a what here, compare the numbers is nothing but a, we have to put the mark greater than or equal to or lesser than. These symbols if you are using means we are comparing a numbers, that it means. Getting everyone? If you are using this greater than, equal to or lesser than symbol, then it means we are comparing the numbers here. We are comparing a numbers, that it means. Getting everyone? Okay. So, and open page number 11. Page number 11 open everyone. In the page number 11, I told some points here that you have to write it in a CW also and HW also. HW 2 times, CW 1 time. This one, this box and here this box. Rule 1. Okay. Next here, this box. Up to that much you have to write. Page number 11 start with this box, second box, next write rule 1 and after that this box, next one here, this box also rule 2. You have to write, and in a HW 2 times you have to write and in CW 1 time you have to write that one. After exercise number 1.3 you have to write these things and start writing the 1.4. Getting everyone? So this is the homework for you. So please do your homework. Don't neglect any things. Okay? Because in that box they given us some hint here. So that rules we have to follow while writing the Roman numbers. That's why I given that as a homework. It's a very important point. Please be thorough with that. Okay? Don't just write a blank with a mind and just drawing that by seeing the TV and you are writing all the things. I know that one. Okay, don't do like that. Okay, whenever you are writing, your concentration should be in a textbook only, not on the TV and not on the mobile. Getting everyone? Okay. So We'll meet in the next class, and further, that is the estimation of a numbers, we'll see in the next class. Okay. Till that, be safe in your home. We'll see you soon. Thank you everyone.